This pandemic has proven that innovation is critical to healthcare. By innovating in our nursing practice, we are able to continue with what we need to do, especially during times where social restrictions are in place.
Innovation challenges us to continually think out of the box to improve on work processes and enhance our quality of care to deliver the best patient outcomes.
Nurses are the best to provide innovative ideas because we have the expert knowledge and experience to understand both clinical situations and patients' needs.
I believe that we nurses are the backbone of the healthcare system and can bring innovation to patient care every day and profoundly facilitate meaningful changes in healthcare.
Innovation is critical for nurses to always ask, why not instead of why? This opens us up to a whole new world of possibilities in the delivery of healthcare and patient experience.
By tapping on innovation and drawing on technology, nursing professionals are able to further improve, enhance, and evaluate nursing practices.
Innovation has given us the opportunity to go beyond our traditional roles of providing bedside care. We are encouraged to innovate to improve care for our patients.